What is going on, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to another beautiful day in my life, and I'm very grateful to be sharing this day with you guys. I really appreciate the gift of life and the opportunity to go after my goals once again. So I'm just here to carry you guys along with how my day is going to be looking like as a day trader, a beginner day trader trying to achieve profitability in this industry. So if today is actually your first time coming across this channel and you probably don't know who I am, my name is Evans and I'm a Forex trader here in Ghana, and I've been documenting my journey here on YouTube, showing you guys my ups and downs as a growing Forex trader and how I go ahead to solve the daily problems or the challenges every day throws at me as a day trader. So if you're interested in content like this, kindly hit the like button of this video, and if you are looking forward to more of this kind of content, then subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that every time I upload a new video you will get notified. So let's get started with what today's video is actually about. As forex traders, we only come onto the chart to analyze the chart, see if we can make some money, and then we move on with our lives. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I actually added a new pair to my watch list, and that's US oil. I added the US oil to my watch list last week, and I've been monitoring this pair. This pair has been doing so well, like it has been giving me great opportunities. And comparing the movements of US oil and gold, they kind of have the same kind of movement, and not in correlation, but when I like fast pairs. So when gold wants to move, it moves very fast, and when US oil also wants to move, it moves very fast. That's what I want. So I added this pair, and I'm currently looking out for an opportunity on US oil at the moment, and I'm going to be showing you my analysis on that pair on the chart, and then we see what we're going to be doing with, or we see what US oil will be giving us today. So let's jump straight onto the chart so I can show you my analysis on the chart. So guys, this is on the 4H time frame of US oil. You can see at the top there. So the price has been very bullish for a very long time, and now we have price breaking below the trend line. So whenever there's a breakout of a trend line, we always wait for the retest of that trend line. So price pulled back, and then it gave me a retest around this level. Then it started dropping in the opposite direction of the trend. So with that being said, that's one confluence. That's one confluence. Breakout of a trend and a retest of the trend line. Then we have a high, a low, a lower high, lower low, lower high formation. Then we are expecting a new low to form. So with that being said, I move to my 1H time frame, and then you can see that we have a new trend on the hourly time frame. We have our first tap on the trend line, second tap, and this is supposed to be my third tap. So what do I see? There's a supply zone around this level, and I'm expecting price to pull back and then tap into this zone at that same point, and it will be giving me a third tap on the trend line before I can keep selling this market. Price pulled back, got closer to the zone. It just got about a few pips away to enter the zone, and then it dropped. So when I woke up this morning, I was still expecting price to pull back and then give me the same setup, and price actually pulled all the way to the top there, and then it filled, and now it started dropping. Now I'm having a chart pattern like a double top formation around this level. This is like a double top formation, and it's actually a reversal pattern for me. Whenever I see a clear zone, like whenever I see a clear confirmation on this setup, I'm going to be selling this market around this level, then I'll be targeting all the way to the down here. So that's it, guys. That's what I'm expecting on US oil for today. So let's get on with the video, guys. So guys, I'm selling from here, I'm selling from here, selling from here. This on the 1h time frame, but I have a 15-minute. Let me show you. I see we have a supply zone around this level. So when price gets into that zone, when price gets into this zone, I'm selling guys. That's it guys. So guys, as I said, I'm already in the trading. Price is tanking. So this on USIO, you can see that I'm watching the setup on the hourly time frame. Price is really dropping. My God, price is dropping. So that's it guys. I'm just going to hold on to this trade until my TP is going to. I'm just going to hold on to this trade until my TP gets smashed. So let's go guys. So guys, my stop loss has been taken. I moved stop loss to break even in profit, and price actually went all the way to take me out. But I still believe strongly that price is going to drop. On the hourly, price gave me this double top formation. We have a double top, a breakout of the neckline, and price actually pulling back to retest the trend line and the neckline over here. And at that same point, we have a supply zone. You can see we have the supply zone around here, and you can see how price attempted to break this zone and then it failed. So I think I'm just going to enter this trade now and then have my stop loss at a very safe place. We have a high impact news coming out at 1:30 a.m. 1:30 p.m. Don't know if you can see it. We have high impact news coming up, and that's what I'm actually going to do. That's what is going to be a problem for me to enter this trade now. So I'm just going to see what this trade has for me. So my first entry, I got stopped out in break even, but in profit I made about $25 on that trade. And then this is my second entry. I'm going to be taking this entry and then continue the sale from here. So guys, this was the trade I re-entered. Price has actually broken above this supply zone, and there's no need or there's no point for me holding on to this trade again. So I'm just going to be closing out this trade because price was actually supposed to stay below this zone, but since it has broken it now, there's no point for holding on to this trade anymore. So I'm going to close this trade. I'm going to close this trade, and then I'll be done for the day. Then I'll just wait till tomorrow, then I see what tomorrow has for me. So that's it, guys. So today has been a very rough day in the market. Today I wouldn't say bad because I actually made some money, and then, so I'll just say I closed the day at break even. And I mean, that's how some days you lose, some days you win. You know, my first entry was very smooth, so very straightforward. Everything aligned perfectly, and then I took the trade. But price couldn't get to at least 1:2 for me to actually take advantage or capitalize on 1:1. But it is what it is. Whatever happens, we take it like that, and then we move on to the next trade. So that's all for today. So guys, before I end the video, you guys should watch out for my next series of videos with the title Convo with Evans. You know, I'm planning to start creating psychological videos, like mindset videos. Forex trading is way beyond pressing the sell or the buy or sell button. There are lots of psychological factors that constitute to becoming a good trader or a profitable trader, and you need to develop some kind of mindset in order to shift from a losing trader to a winning trader. So that's what my video is going to be about, like some kind of mindset videos, psychological, the kind of mindset you need to have before entering the market, and other stuff. So you guys should be watching out for my next series of videos. With that being said, that's all I'll be doing for today. See you in the next one, and don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. So that's all I'll be doing for today. See you in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.